Best Bluetooth speakers. The demand for Bluetooth speakers has skyrocketed as more people look to streamline their music, whether at home, outdoors, or on the go. For typists, gamers, partygoers, or casual listeners, a good speaker elevates the experience. In this guide, we examine 5 top Amazon picks, evaluating sound quality, portability, durability, battery life, and overall value to help you find the right fit for your lifestyle.
Product number 1, Marshall Acton 3 Bluetooth speaker. The Marshall Acton 3 brings the legendary Marshall heritage into a modern Bluetooth speaker, delivering a spacious stereo soundstage and the brand's signature rich audio. Its build is more sustainable, using recycled plastics and vegan materials, yet remains sturdy and stylish, suitable for living rooms or desktops. Connectivity is simple and flexible thanks to Bluetooth 5.2 plus classic 3.5mm inputs, giving you the freedom to stream from phones, tablets, or older devices. While not the lightest speaker around, it offers balanced, immersive sound, making it ideal for home listening, small parties, or ambient music in a study or workspace.
Product number 2, JBL Flip 5 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Compact, rugged, and easy to carry around, the JBL Flip 5 is a great everyday Bluetooth speaker. It delivers signature JBL sound with good bass, clear mids and highs, and about 12 hours of playback on a full charge. It features an IPX7 waterproof rating, so whether you're near a pool, at the beach, or caught in the rain, you don't need to worry about splashes. Its compact cylindrical shape and simple button controls make it ideal for travel, outdoor hangouts, or casual listening in various settings. Essentially, a grab-and-go speaker for music lovers. Product number 3, Beats Pill Portable Bluetooth Speaker, as in B0XXXW5 4QG. Beats' take on the portable speaker brings a nice mix of portability, powerful output, and versatility. The Beats Pill offers robust, room-filling audio with a woofer that displaces a lot of air for deeper bass and fuller sound. Battery life reaches up to 24 hours, which makes it a strong companion for long listening sessions, road trips, or outdoor gatherings. Its durable, travel-friendly design and compatibility with both Apple and Android devices make it a good all-rounder if you care about portability without sacrificing sound impact.
Product number 4, Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen Bluetooth Speaker. The Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen is aimed at those who value consistent, high-fidelity sound even when on the move. Despite its compact size, it delivers clear, balanced audio with surprisingly deep bass, impressive for a portable speaker. Its IP67 waterproof and dustproof build means it can handle harsh environments, from poolside parties to hiking trips. With up to 12 hours of battery life and a rugged silicone-wrapped body, this speaker is ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, or everyday use where durability and dependable sound matter.
Product number 5, Beats Pill 2024 Portable Bluetooth Speaker, ASIN B0D4SX9CR6. The 2024 release Beats Pill updates the series with a bigger racetrack woofer that delivers stronger bass and a richer, fuller sound. Great for parties or larger rooms. It offers up to 24 hours of battery life, making it a solid choice for long listening sessions without needing frequent charging. The design includes dust and water resistance, IP rated, a comfortable silicone backing, and even a lanyard, all adding to its portability and ruggedness. Whether you're outdoors, at a gathering, or simply enjoying music at home, the 2024 Beats Pill is a well-rounded portable Bluetooth speaker.